Pakistani Air Force says it will not allow any drones, including those operated by the U.S., to violate the country's airspace. That is according to Air Force Chief Sohail Aman.
We will not allow anyone to violate our airspace. I have ordered the Pakistan Air Force to shoot down drones, including those of the U.S., if they enter our airspace, violating the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
Pakistan has condemned U.S. drone attacks, saying they have been damaging to the country and have caused deaths and severe injuries among civilians. We spoke to Talat Massoud, a retired three-star general of the Pakistani army. He says it is time for the U.S. to stop playing a double game in Pakistan.
In the near past, the United States has been playing a good cop, bad cop game with Pakistan. One official says something positive, the other gives strong threats. In the past, the drones have been attacking targets in Pakistan. Earlier, it was perhaps with the tacit approval of the government of Pakistan, but in the past couple of years, the government of Pakistan has not provided any such approval. The United States should actually consider and weigh its options, because it has been using Pakistan as an ally, and if it wants to turn against Pakistan, it will be detriment to the peace in the region.
Pakistan's Air Force chief also questioned whether U.S. involvement in the region was actually helpful. He raised concerns over Washington's previous track record of attempting to build democracy.
No outside power can engineer a democracy inside a country, nor is democracy the solution to every problem. Examples in Iraq and Libya are in front of us. After the fall of Gaddafi and Saddam, what happened in these countries? Did they get democracy?
It is Syria currently, and of course Yemen, Afghanistan, Iraq. All these countries, they have lost stability and they are in serious problems. In fact, at the moment, there are some scribes in the New York press or in the Washington press who are predicting that if Pakistan doesn't toe the line of the United States of America, a Syria-like situation may be created over here, because Pakistan cannot allow its territory to be used by others, to engineer in the name of democracy any farcical moves which will destabilize the country.